Hello, welcome back. This is the sixth take. I'm trying to get this video done. This is terrible. Okay, so it's the end of the quarter, and it's also June. So we're actually halfway through the year and the second quarter. That's amazing. We're already here. So a couple of changes for this month's video. We've now got. I've got a new channel name, which actually finally reflects what I'm doing. And I've got a new office. Well, no, I haven't got a new office. I just found a new way of actually putting a background on. I still can't remember how I did it. I discovered it the other day. I tried looking earlier on, see if I can well, I only had a choice of 3 backgrounds. Really, it was this, a nice lake with snowy mountains, or Manhattan. So I went with this. Right. It didn't look so out of place. This looks a little bit more like the setting I should be in. Honestly, if this was my own business, I'd be out. I wouldn't for the first ones. Oh yeah, I would not be the first ones to rent in this place. That's for sure. So it's going to be dividend income, then the portfolio review, the one that everybody loves, because for some reason those portfolio videos get a ridiculous amount of views compared to the normal ones. Seriously, 10 views for the last one, 20 views for the one before, and 200 views for whatever the last prior one was. Yeah, 200 views for March. Explain that one to me. So, it must be a portfolio then. So, we kicked off with 26.25 from GCP Infrastructure, £20.36 from Recora, £2.48 from AG Bar, and AG Bar owns a few of its own drinks, which is Bar, but it mainly owns Brew. Also owns Rubicon. So if you see the Rubicon energy drinks and that sort of stuff, they own them. Then we had £14 from AEW UK REIT, 63 pence from LMS Capital. Some of the stocks I invest in is like really bad, but hey, there we are. 25p from Vanguard UK Gilt, which is a monthly payer. That's the UK government bonds, by the way. 26p from the US Treasury bonds. This is one of the quarterly payers. iShares Core 4100. I currently hold it. I'm planning on selling. I'll explain why. That's £1.30 from them. iShares FTSE 250, £2.9. I have previously sold them. Again, I'll explain why. Tesco then I forgot about, because I actually sold it with the profits so many days after the ex-div did. So £8.25 from there from 100 shares. That was nice. £10.56 from the main bad boy income provider every month. £10.56. So that was 465 shares. And it paid 6.401p. It's getting quite nice up there, you know. It's to consider it was paying like 2 pence odd back in 2020. You know, interest rates go up, you get some nice monthly payments off it. Interest rates go down, not so much. Alright, so some stage, if interest rates ever go back down, that will be so great in terms of the monthly income. That's just how it is. And then we had Renewable Infrastructure Group to finish off with for £22.41. So that gave me £108.67 for the month. It's not bad. That's the second 100 one this year, I think. 100 something. And £552.59 for the year thus far. So I'm on course for 1,000, but some of these I have sold, so unless I add quite enough to the other ones, may fall short again. I expect to have like 1,000 last year. I think I ended up doing about 900 odd quid, just shy of that. It all fluctuates depending on what I've still got, see. So I'll know more come end of September what I'm likely to be hitting come December, basically. So let's have a look at the main one you're all here for. This is the main one, isn't it? Now, to be fair, this wasn't as badly down, right? End of the week, 3,700. Beginning of the week, right? We recovered to minus 3,300 odd. Okay, nice, and then just plummeted. There's a main reason. Gradually some bits have gone down, but there's a main reason. So Aberdeen, we're going to kick off with that bad boy. That's only down 20.1%, or £298.67. AEW UK REIT is down 9.3% of 61.30. Then we've got Assura, which is one of the worst performers, down 29.2% or £450.98. Barclays up 32.85, 51.65. I have actually sold 150 shares of this because what I've noticed, it doesn't always perfectly work out, but it better reflects the share price. Also, if you're trying to average down, this is a slightly better way of understanding things. So, AWK REIT by here, whether it has a, what do they call it, spread on it or not, right? If I was to try and buy one share, it was telling me it's 85p, right? Now you notice that 0.3 there has been left out, right? And sometimes, if it's like 6p, 7.6.7, it'll actually round it up. But because it's less than 5, it's rounding it down. Or less than 6. I'm not sure how it works. I think it's like up to 5 or over 6, whatever it is. That's been rounded. If I put 10 shares, I got £8.57. That is reflecting 0.4% spread. Right, so when you buy a share and all of a sudden it's down immediately, that's because there's a good tidy spread on it. That's how it works. That's how these commission-free brokers make their money. It's the same with all sorts of trades. There's a spread, a tiny little bit more in terms of the price you're paying per share, which allows them to make a bit of money. Right? That's how spreads work. So that's £8.57 there as opposed to £8.53. But that's buy 10 shares. If there's two fractional points, that's 100 share minimum. That way then it will better reflect the changes in the price, better reflect where my average down, because I don't be averaging up, because then I can't do any gains I've got. So that is why I've had to sell one or two. But that's basically that, right? So that's now a 100 share minimum. If it goes down below that one day, I will buy another 100 shares, and so forth and so forth. That way it better reflects. Okay, so that's that. So then we've got BlackRock Sustainable America. I need to buy another 50 shares of this because it's 2 pence a share. And that rounds up nicely. But that's only down 50p or 0.5%. Diverse Income Trust is down £4 or 3% I should say. Then we got Core Resources. It's down £542.75. Not my worst. Down 35.1%. Right, and then Facilities by ADF, which does location. Well, it helps with location filming for Amazon, Netflix. That's all. I know a lot of Netflix and stuff, but they're on-site location films. So they provide makeup trailers. I think a couple of they call them star trailers. No, the trailers you actually live in for a bit. That sort of stuff. I think in toilets or something like that. But there's a few things they provide on these locations. So that's what they do. They even actually help out with their background characters as well, because one guy got paid to literally take a parcel of a van they were filming for a scene and put it back into another one. Or the other way around. Whichever one it was. So actually one of the guys do that, because the guy who should have turned up didn't. So they're like, lads, do you want to do us a favour? So I went. So then we had Foresight Solar, that's down 2.50 or 1.3%. GCP Infrastructure is down 155.82, up from 15% actually. This has been recovering for some weird reason. I don't know why. Each infrastructure investments only been popular this month. So that's down 10.5, but as I said, it's up from 15. Greencoat UK Wind is down 2.3% or £3.20. Henderson High Income Trust. It's down £6.69 or 4.1%. International Public Partnership, which is twice yearly payer, up £1.90 or 1.5%. Yay! Right, remember I said about minimums? That's 1,000 share minimum to reflect and get all the averaging down. So this is what I'm looking to sell this one. The FTSE 100 was 10, but it was like, sorry, 100 shares, I should say, instead of 10, but 16 odd quid, something like that. That's a hell of a lot to pay. Whereas the Vanguard FTSE 100 is like 10, and it's like works out to be 300 odd quid, something like that, which is much better. So this is what I'm looking to sell this at some stage. But if it doesn't move much, I'll pick up another quarterly pay out of it. That's how that one works. That's only down £1.8% of £1.53. MS Capital is down £2.40 or 12%. Marshalls, which is bricks, they're in the building trade. You often see Marshalls on big pads of bricks and that sort of stuff. They're down 8.4% or £5.40. I am waiting for a dividend from them, which is next month. Mobico Group, formerly National Express, they're down 19.6% or £12.45. I only bought 100 shares, so until I add to them, this is how badly they're down. PIMCO US short-term high dividend, yeah, you know the one, £38.9, down or 2.55%, not bad. Primary Health is down 20.55% or £204.9. This also has, sorry, no, wrong number, £379.66 down. Has slowly started to recover, I think. No, think of a different one. Real estate credit investments. That is down £204.9 or 13.2. What was it done this past month? Up. That's the one I was thinking of. Now then, the bad boy for this portfolio. Okay, so news came out Thursday, Friday, one of the two, and yeah, they decided it was bad news, so they took me from 800 odd quid down, which is 50 odd quid, 50 odd percent, sorry, down to 66.38% or £1,016.63. But the idea is that things progress well for them. The future is brighter. So we shall see what happens with regional REIT over time. I may have lost all the money for the end of the year. We'll see. Renewables Infrastructure Group is down 14.55%. That's been slowly improving as well. No, other way around. There are only two that seem to do well this month. They recovered anyway. 223 is £27.37 down for them. Vanguard UK Gilt is down 14p or 0.17%. USD Emerging Markets, that's the new one for payer. As you see, bonds, I think over time could be quite a good one to have. They're down 14p or 0.42%. Then we've got the Vanguard USD Treasuries up 69p or 0.82%. And we finish off with VPC Specialty Lending, which is down £329.36.44. Now, I actually looked at a free version of, what was it, Investment Trust Handbook, and discovered that there was a proposal to actually start winding down this particular trust fund. Now knowing that, I would have been putting quite a few extra shares and so forth. I may just sort of leave this now to about maybe an extra 50 shares and see how it progresses next few months, because if it's going to be wound down, I couldn't see anything further on any news that it definitely has agreed to wind itself down, but that was a proposal. Then yeah, this might end up disappearing as well because of all the distributions, etc., etc. So with that said, I've got a few seconds left. Have a good month. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'll see you all next month, and see you then. Have a good one.